Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by confirming the 25-character product key and signing into the Microsoft account you'll link to Office. Once done, open Office. .com/setup or launch an Office app and choose Activate. Enter the product key exactly, hyphens included, because mistyped characters cause failures. Make sure your internet connection is active so the license can be validated immediately. If you're prompted to choose a region or language, pick the ones that match your account and installed Office language to avoid mismatched licenses. After the key is accepted, verify the account and subscription details the portal shows, since this is how Microsoft links the license. Next, choose Install and select Office 365 or the plan listed. The site will generate a personalized installer. Download and run the installer, grant permissions if your system asks, and let it finish without interruption, because closing early can corrupt files. Make sure Office updates automatically so the license status syncs, and restart any Office apps to let the To finish, open Word or Excel and check account product information to confirm it says activated. If activation doesn't show, sign out of Office, sign back in with the same Microsoft account, and restart the app. This forces a license refresh. If problems persist, double-check the key for typos and ensure the key hasn't been used on too many devices. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cached credentials via Windows Credential Manager or remove and re-add the account. This often resolves sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.